the ringer. That's the book. And now, guess what? You can train with her too. As the horse, as the story. I'm not kidding around.
It's hardcore this season on The Biggest Loser as the contestants turn mean and the trainers get even tougher.
Go get it.
We're going to see as season 6 continues to unfold.
Get the ball.
Season 6 is a little bit nasty, actually.
Get the ball.
Plotting on who will vote out, and
Get the
a lot
ball.
of infighting with the contestants, a lot of tension, some nasty moments.
You said hateful things about me to my friend, and you thought you wouldn't tell me, and then you scared me out of the blue.
My knee hurts, my ass hurts, my elbow hurts. And at the center of it all is Jillian Michaels, who usually spends her days yelling at the contestants. But today she's putting our own fitness guru, Samantha Harris, through her intense workout. Don't mess up. This is serious. The trainer's talking about her new me-game, Jillian Michaels Fitness Ultimatum 2009, a boot camp-based program geared towards getting people healthy. Left right.
Oh, nice. You hear that? What are they going to see?
You'll basically run the obstacle course, and it's everything from title runs